This is chicken wing. Nice. Very meaty, very juicy. Very, very light. Maybe we should get one more plate of this. As you enter, there's this really nice carpet here which has got all the flags and the map of the world, and literally every country is marked here. We have just ordered some food and we are waiting for starters, and we have got some keema naan, which in Afghan is called naan-e-keema. There it is, naan-e-keema. As you see right here, there is a bit of sesame seed, they got some coriander thing going on there, and then all the meat is right here, and there's a bit of tomato in the meat as well. Just gonna have the first bite. Nice. Not very meaty, but it's really nice. It's got a lot of crunch in it. It's actually lighter than I thought it was. What do you think? It's a bit lighter, right?
Yeah, it's light.
Here we have got our chapli kebab. The chapli itself looks very different from the ones we have had before. So if you look closely, it's got cumin seeds. There's methi seeds, that's fenugreek right here, along with some tomatoes and a lot of other things going on. Just gonna break it into two to cut open and see what's inside. There's a bit of onions right here. There's obviously the meat, coriander, and some finely chopped tomatoes. Straight away I'm gonna have a bite. It's very, very light. Usually chapli is a bit oily, heavier, but this is some top quality chapli right here. So this is some high quality shiz. This chicken tikka, which is served on the bone. This is shami kebab. It is very different from the shami usually we have. The shami we usually are used to having is in a circular shape. Then this one right here is a seekh kebab. This is the authentic Kabuli tikka, and it's made from mutton. It smells so good, so good. And this is chicken wing. No, this is actually a lamb chop. Chicken tikka, so chicken Kabuli tikka, which is the one right here. And in here we have the most popular and the most delightful thing, and our favorite, the Kabuli pulav. So it's just bliss. It's sliced with some carrot, a bit of raisins right there, and these have been glazed in ghee. And in between all of this is a surprise, which is this little chicken piece right here. And underneath the rice there are many such chicken pieces like this one. Sir Kali, who's going to try his first bite of the lamb chop.
So juicy. Yum.
I'm going to try the shami kebab now. He's going to break a small piece, and just got very, very minced meat. I think there's a bit of carrot in there, which is right here, coriander, and some fenugreek seeds, which are right here. Very simple, not much flavor. Nothing really bullies or overpowers the taste and smell of meat. It's probably not my favorite thing out here. Just going to try some of the traditional mutton tikka and see how this tastes like. Surprisingly, this is very, very soft. I did not think this is going to be this soft. In terms of flavor, it's very simple. There's a bit of marinade, which I don't know if you can see, which is right here. A bit of marinade and very clean meat, not much of oil. A bit of fat though, but it's something really, really different and unique. And now I'm going to try something which I was very excited to try from the kebabs. This is the mince kebab, the meat kebab. Oh, nice. It's got a bit of oil right in the center of it. Time to taste. Nice. Very meaty, very juicy. It's very filling though. It doesn't look as filling, but to be very honest, I'm pretty full right now. However, I still have the rice to go. So this is another man versus food where we have to win. It's time to try the rice. Look at this, so glossy, nice and shiny little rice. It's almost like a rap video where everything is shining on your face. Just so good. Maybe we should get one more plate of this. So just here we got this nice little cocktail bar which they have inside. Obviously not cocktails, they make juices and coffee. Let's ask Mr. Hamza. Hamza भाई यहाँ क्या क्या बनता है?
यहाँ पे सर मिल्क शेक्स, फ्रेश जूस, कॉफ़ी, मोहितोस एंड स्पेशल विटामिन सी वगैरह हमारे स्पेशल अफ़गानी जूसेस हैं वो भी यहाँ पे बनाए जाते हैं। और इंशाल्लाह आप आएंगे आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा। यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल चीज़ें यूज़ की जाती हैं। सब क्वालिटी तो नंबर 1 है, आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी। अफ़गान पैलेस है, हमारे जूसेस कॉफ़ीज़ आप ऑर्डर करें, आपको पसंद ना आए तो क्या।
और सबसे यहाँ पॉपुलर या आप एक दो जूस कौन से है जो सबको ट्राई करनी चाहिए? एक दो आइटम ऐसी कैसी है?
ज़्यादातर मोहितोस हैं और विटामिन सी वगैरह हैं। कुछ हमारे जूस हैं जो हमारी ही वो रेसिपी है, तो वो हमारे मेन्यू में है, तो वो आके ट्राई करें। यहाँ पे हम हमारे जो ऑर्डर टेकर्स हैं वो रिकमेंड करते हैं कि ये जूस आप ट्राई करें, तो इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत पसंद आएंगे।
In here for our dessert we have got something which is called a sheer brinch, which is basically kheer. Those of you who don't know what kheer is, it's rice soaked in sweet milk and on top there's a garnish of pistachio. Again, nice and light, man. It's not as heavy as it was, yeah?
Well, it's cooling after all that meat.
Yeah, little chills, yeah?
Nice. I think I'm having this alone, mate.
Take it, bro. And I think the best thing to do after this is, bro, once you finish this, it's time to go there and lie down for a bit, yeah?